Good morning, everybody. This is Diane in Plant-Based Dallas, and I wanted to show you this morning how I make up my sweet spice mixture. I keep this mixture in this little shaker jar, and I put it in my oatmeal, I put it in my coffee, in any kind of desserts that I want to sweeten up, and I just create a concoction of all the sweet spices. So I want to show you which ones I use. I start off with cinnamon, and the majority of this spice is cinnamon. And you do not need to worry about any kind of measurements. So I would say 75% of it is the cinnamon. And then I'll go with some allspice. And then I'll add a little bit of cacao powder for a little bit of cocoa. Might be easier to take the top off here. Bit of cacao. Alrighty, and then one of my favorites, cardamom. And you can get most of these spices at an Indian store. I like to go to Indo-Pac. Cardamom sort of has a lemony flavor to it. Now we're going to use cloves, and cloves have pretty strong taste, but they're they're one of the healthiest spices there is for us. So don't forget your cloves. And of course, ginger. We know how good ginger is for us. We like to keep that in the refrigerator and eat that root almost with all of our dishes. And then mace. This is a new one that I just discovered. If you smell it, it smells a lot like allspice or cloves. So I'll add some mace. Whoops. And then the last one is nutmeg. And you don't want to overdo it on nutmeg either, because it's very, very potent. Okay, so that is my sweet spice. And this will go really quickly. I should have made double or triple, but I don't have that much cinnamon in the house right now. So I'll just mix it all up here and then refill my shaker jar using my funnel. And again, this is a really easy spice to make. You can perhaps get your friends, maybe everybody bring an ingredient to your house one day and make it in a group and then just divide it all up. That's an easy way to do it too. Alrighty, so here's my sweet spice ready to go. And that's a lot cheaper. Well, they don't even sell this in the stores yet because this is my invention. But again, use this in your coffee, in your sweet desserts, on top of apples, pears, baked, even on top of I put it on top of my sweet potatoes as well. All right, y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.